Hello students, this is your teacher Ms. Halima again, and today we are going to continue working on our PowerPoint presentations. So the first thing I need you to do is go to your desktop, look for your presentation, double click on it to start the application. And what we are going to be working on today is editing the text, making titles, adding some special effects to it, and all that nice stuff. So just like we did with Microsoft Word, I started my presentation. I have two slides. I have the first slide with my title and my name, and I have the second slide. It has a picture, and I have some information about my favorite animal, in my case, the ladybug. You might have more slides than that, and that's absolutely fine. You can add as many slides as you want with information on your favorite animals and images. Now, if I want to come to this first slide and I want to change my title, just like we did with Microsoft Word, we are going to select the word we need to change, we want to change, and up here we can change the font type, and I can choose a different one. I think I'm going to go with this one. We can change the size, I can make it bigger, and I can also change the color of my letters, and I am going to make it this nice, let's see, purple. Okay, so this is what we have been working on with Microsoft Word, and it pretty much works the same way with PowerPoint as well. Now, however, I have the option to bring some special art into my work, and to do that I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to go to Word Art. I can select one of these, the one that I like the most. I think I'm going to go with this one. And it starts a box where I can add text in the middle of my page. I will write this, the title. I'll change my title to say Ladybug here. Now I can move this somewhere else, and I'm probably going to move it up here, so I have two titles and I can start messing with it. Some nice things that I can do to this while it is selected and it says Format, and I have my drawing tools up here. I'm in the Format tab. So now I can change the color I want. Currently it's white. My letters are white and they have this blue shadow. I can change the white letters. I think I like orange. I can change the outline, which is now black, and I can change it to maybe red. But what is really cool that I can do here is right here, the text effects. And here I have various options. I can add a shadow to my word. I can add a reflection to it. I can also make it glow. I'm not going to make it glow. I can add the bevel so it looks like it comes out of my page, and I think I like this one. I can rotate the word, and maybe this one, maybe it's too much, so I think I'm going to undo this last step, and I'm going to change a different kind of rotation, maybe a little bit less. I like this one. And the other cool thing, I can transform my typing to look like any one of these, maybe this one. So this is what it looks like now. I can move it. I can drag one of the corner points and make it bigger. I can also change the font size, and to do that I'm going to go to Home and change the font size to maybe 96, and now it looks really fancy. And if I don't want this anymore, I can click on it, hit the backspace key on my keyboard, and it's gone. And that one here I can get rid of completely. So now I've created my own title. I can move it around and it looks really fancy. So these are some of the effects we can add to our titles to make our presentations look prettier. And this is as far as we're going to go today. We now need to save our work, so don't forget to do that. You're going to go to File and hit Save, and there you are. Okay, this is as far as we're going to go today. It is now your turn to give it a try.